I don't know if you've seen these latest TikToks or videos or whatever talking about how the IRS owes you money and how you can get it back from them and all of this. Well, if you've ever paid a tax penalty or a fee and thought, that doesn't seem quite right, you might actually be able to get that money back. The IRS has a form that you can use, but most people don't even know it exists. It's called Form 843. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to fill it out step by step and let you know what that form is all about and how you can use it to your benefit. So keep watching.
Let's get it. Taxes ain't scary when you plan ahead. Cash flow quiet's what fear once said. No quick schemes, no overnight claims. Just solid moves, long-term gains. I'm not here selling dreams of noise. I'm here building options, controlling choice.
Okay, so then let's go over here to the IRS.gov website. And if you look here, I've already queued up the Form 843. And Form 843 is a claim. It's called a claim for refund and request for abatement. You're going to go right here to the current revision of the form. Okay. Let's make this bigger so we can see what we're doing here. All right. So first and foremost, you're going to be at the top here. And, well, no, let me explain what the form is. So in plain, I already told you what the name of it is, but in plain English, it is basically a form you use when you think that the IRS either charged you too much or took too much out of your refund, or is like put money on your bill. So say you owe the IRS $150, okay, and you were late in paying it, so they added on penalties and interest. If you feel like you need them to forgive or not charge you the penalties, this is a form for you to fill out. Okay. It could include interest also, but I would stay only in the penalty section because that is where they are a little bit more open to forgiving, okay, or reducing. So first, we're going to go to the section here that says tax. And what you're going to click for this particular, if you're filling out this form, is the abatement. Wait, I'm sorry, go down. The abatement or refund of tax. No, the penalty. So the abatement or refund of a penalty or addition to tax due to a reasonable cause or other reason allowed under the law. That's the one you're going to click. Okay. And then, okay. Then you're going to scroll down. And then you can go to, and then if you couldn't read, like, say you couldn't read your documents in a timely fashion, respond, you can always click that. But usually when you're doing this, you're going to go ahead and click that one under penalty abatement. Then you're going to scroll down. And this area is your basic information. So this is your name, your social security number, the full one. If you are married and this is a joint return, you're going to put your spouse's name and their social security number, of course, your address and all of that. And you're going to scroll down and you're going to click on this information here. So when you're in this area, you need to make sure that you are filling this out very strategically. This is very important for you to fill out. So I'm going to type in as I'm talking about it. So just say you want them to forgive the penalties from 2022. Okay. So you're going to type in 01, make sure it is in the form that they're telling you to put it in. So with the slash, with the 01, and then you're going to put 2022. And then your ending date is 12, the end of the year, 31, 2022. Okay. And then on the letter that they send you, you will see the amount that you want them to change, reduce, forgive.
Hey, have you had a chance to join the family yet? If not, go ahead and click the subscribe button and join the family today. And also turn on those notifications so that you can know exactly when we're going to post here on the Financial Spotlight channel. All those juicy financial tips and tricks for you. We'd love to have you.
And then you can put whatever number you think that should go here, whatever you're trying to have them abate. That's the 233. Scroll down, and on number 4, you're going to check income. Scroll down a little bit further. You're going to check 1040. And then you scroll down to number 6, you need to put whatever Internal Revenue Code number is on the letter that they sent you to tell you how much you owe. That's what you put here. Then on number 7, you're going to put C, reasonable cause or other reason allowed under law can be shown. Now, here is the most important part. That's where you're going to explain why you would like them to forgive or not charge you the amount they're trying to charge you. Be very specific, be factual, be concise. For example, if you're requesting a penalty, the penalty abatement, like I was talking about, you might explain to them that you had a reasonable cause, such as a medical issue or a natural disaster or any other type of circumstance that stopped you from filing or paying your taxes on time. Do not put emotional language on there. Oh, I really need all those type of things. Stick to the facts and stick to timelines. You can also attach supporting documentation. So say your spouse or something, maybe you became disabled and you guys had a lot going on, whatever have you, you can attach that to this form to just verify that this information is correct. Excuse me. And of course, you're going to go down. You are going to sign and date this. And you're going to make sure that if they gave you a PIN number, put your PIN number here. Next, you need to know exactly where to mail this. Your Form 843 is always mailed to the location where you would mail your 1040. So if you go over here to the IRS website again, and then you just type in mail. Let me see. Where's the I on here? Oh, here we go. Type in mail. Search that up. Where do I mail my? Not that. We'll just put enter here. Okay. And usually it'll come up and say, where can you mail your form? 1040. We'll just put that in. All right. And then you're going to scroll down. Where's the filing address for my 1040? And whatever state you live in, I'm going to show you all the states here. That's the address that you're going to mail this to. You're going to mail it to the one that has no payment enclosed. And make sure, please, that you keep a copy of this information. Do not just mail this off without having a copy of it. Keep a copy of it for your records. Also, you already know what day you mailed it. And just know that processing times could take several weeks, even months. So be very patient, but it is always great to try to get them to reduce or forgive your abatement. And if you want more step-by-step tax help like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I break down really complex IRS forms and tax situations into simple, clear explanations so you can handle your taxes with confidence. And if you want help staying organized and you need a little bit more help, go ahead and watch this video right here so that it can help you with your taxes all year long. Thanks for joining me here at the Financial Spotlight. Have a great one. Bye.